Say man, hey man, tell a friend to tell a friend that Boostedfit is in. And today I have a great beginner shoulder workout for you guys. And the first exercise of this workout will be the Arnold press. We are doing 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. As you can see in the video, I am doing them seated, and I really want the beginners to focus on sitting down and taking your legs out of the movement, but you can do these standing if you want to. But this exercise right here is unlike any other upper body exercise, like the lateral raise, the military press, and the overhead press when it comes to shoulder. This movement right here will target every muscle in your shoulders, okay? The posterior, the lateral, and the anterior deltoids. This exercise right here will target all 3 of them. And you already know I like to give you guys exercises that give you the bang for your buck. So that's what I did with this workout. Like I said, this can be a complicated exercise, but it's not as hard as it look, okay? So make sure you're watching the video, watch me step by step to see how I do this exercise right here. I know. I did give you guys an exercise that will work all 3 muscles of the shoulder, but guess what? We have the side lateral raise. And this exercise right here is an effective shoulder strengthening exercise that helps tone your shoulder muscles and part of the upper back. Lateral raise exercise targets the deltoid muscles and some of the trap fibers as well. So you most definitely get your bang for your buck when you're talking about doing the side lateral raise. And guess what? You don't need a lot of room to do these exercises, okay? Because all you need to do is take a seat like I'm doing, and I want you guys to sit down and raise your arms up to make the T motion, man. That's what we're doing with this exercise. And you want to pretend as if you are pouring something in the glass when you get to the top of the movement. As you guys can see, I am trying to do that right now. But when you're trying to give a slight pause at the top, it's kind of hard, man. So make sure you use lightweight to do this exercise. You don't need 30, 40, or 50 pound dumbbells to do this, man. You can get you some 10-pound dumbbells and be just fine. Last but not least, we do have the real Delt Fly, okay? And we are still doing 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. I am doing them standing. You can do them seated if you want to, but I wouldn't suggest doing them seated for a beginner because you will have to set the bench on a slight incline, and you're gonna have to keep your core tight, which you have to keep your core tight right here too, and you're gonna have to keep your balance. I don't think you risk falling over doing the exercise like this right here. But the real Delt Fly, also known as the bent over dumbbell reverse fly, is an exercise that increases the deltoid muscle definition and strength. The real Delt Fly exercise targets your upper back muscles and shoulder muscles, you know, the posterior deltoids or real deltoids on the back side of your shoulders, okay? So this workout does give you your bang for your buck. Make sure you like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Love those that love you, and I'm out of here like last year, y'all. Charge!